So there are so many massive opportunities in crypto, and let's talk about some of them, because there are honestly so many huge opportunities that I want to talk about. So many opportunities that you cannot be in all of them. You just have to choose your own winners, your own narratives. But of course, the biggest narrative right now is the AI. It basically takes around 60% in the whole crypto Twitter mind share, which means that at least 60% of crypto Twitter people are talking about AI. The next runner-up is, I think, meme coins, probably like 7%, which is quite low right now. That's why the biggest opportunities are in AI. If you're in crypto, you already understand this, but there are still many huge and many new narratives coming up. For example, if you want to be really early, you should check out this Decentralized Science, which is basically written by DeSci, DESCI. Just type it in Twitter or X or Forecaster. You will find so many new projects, and the bio just got listed on Binance. That's why Decentralized Science projects are pumping like crazy. That is the first narrative that I would recommend you to explore. Now, I am myself really bullish on NFTs. I am buying back many NFTs. Many utility NFTs like Admit One by G Money, Goda Pass, VeeFriends Mint Mink. The only PFP animal NFT collection that I am interested in is chimpers. I recently bought a one chimper, and why is because chimpers team is really amazing. They basically built in the bear market. They're basically posting on TikTok, cartoons on Instagram, and they had like millions of views, thousands of followers. That's why I think this is the only project besides Pudgy Penguins that are doing this, and this is really undervalued, underrated NFT project in my opinion. That's why check out chimpers. Also, we are in January. That's why I think we will soon see a huge moves in the altcoin markets, because first of all, Donald Trump will be running as a president. The whole office, the whole administration is bullish on crypto, and that's why I want you to stop fading crypto if you are still fading. Many people are still really new to this space. I think most of the people don't even quite understand Bitcoin, and that's why for people like us that are like OGs, and I myself, I have been in the crypto space since 2017, and if you are just searching on X, on YouTube, you will see that crypto is pumping despite the Bitcoin price. The crypto is going up. My personal YouTube views are going up like crazy. Subscribers, basically the retail is waking up, and I'm just making this video to tell you to not be late. Don't fade crypto, because as you understand, as you may remember, in the last cycle in 2020, 2021, basically the altcoin run started in February, March, and before then it was basically DeFi. Many people basically faded DeFi. That's when crypto wasn't popping that much, but DeFi was pumping like crazy, and many people are telling that AI is really similar to DeFi in 2020. The first opportunities are right now in AI. That's why do your research. The biggest mistake I have made is basically not following the narratives, and you want to check the new narratives similar like it was in 2021 when NFTs came out and most people were not believing in NFTs. They were not interesting because when so much stuff is happening with coins and just regular crypto projects that are coins, most people were not interested in NFTs. That's why if you faded NFTs, you miss out on generational wealth. I made a lot of money in NFTs, and that's the big thing. You have to catch the narratives, check the narratives, don't fade the narratives. And this Kaito app, where you can see the percentages of mind share on Twitter, and Twitter, the X, is the biggest platform for crypto people. That's the best way you can find out the current narratives, how many people are talking about it, because that's what matters the most, how many people are talking about it. And if you maybe saw my previous video, you will see that decentralized science basically grew by like 2,000 or 29,000% in the crypto mind share in the last year, which is insane. And people like CZ, Brian Armstrong, like CZ is CEO of Binance. Brian Armstrong is founder of Coinbase. Vitalik is bullish on decentralized science. Right now, when we are in a early steps of crypto, which means that meme coins are pumping, degenerates are trying to make money, retail is not here yet. It doesn't matter so much what OGs are telling, what CEOs are talking about, but when we get deeper, people will start believing crypto again, like it was in 2021, 2020. That's when you have to start to look in utility coins. That's why I'm personally right now, I'm already into utility coins, utility NFTs. That's why if you saw the first parts of this video, I already mentioned few utility NFTs. And when we get deeper into a crypto bull market, utility projects will matter the most. People will just invest in crypto and coins based on what's the utility. Right now it's just pure gambling, in my opinion. If you can get into a groups where people are basically well connected and they can get their coins to pump, to big influencers to talk about these projects, this is the biggest opportunity. And one secret I want to tell you is that many of the previous NFT collections that I mentioned, how these alpha groups, for example, Admit One is a great NFT because not just the creator, the founder is the OG with 300,000 subscribers on Twitter. Basically the people that are in this group are quite big, quite heavy. They have friends that create their own coins, then they post on these Telegram chats or Discord servers. And yesterday someone posted this coin that went up like 20x in 1 hour. That's why don't fade the groups. I think Hunter Orel has a project that is called 555, which has like 555 NFTs. And the floor price right now I think is around 0.25 Ethereum. That's what I will buy. I don't know if you are watching this video after I buy or before I will buy it. I think this will be a great alpha group because Hunter Orel also is a well-connected guy in the space. He has like 80,000 followers on Twitter. He's streaming. He's basically doing live streams talking about crypto. And basically, if you can find these kinds of groups with OGs in them, or OGs created them, join them, in my opinion. These will be the most undervalued NFTs. And NFT run will definitely come back because NFTs are so much more interesting than just regular coins, regular tokens. And if you were big in crypto in 2021, 2022, you already saw that meme coins were big when the cycle ended, because when the retail goes out, no one believes in the utility aspect. That's when the degens are left, only degens, and big meme coin plays are really possible, and that's what happens the most in the crypto space. That's why I think the meme coin narrative is going down, because retail is coming here. Everyone is getting excited, and yeah, I think meme coins are slowly dying, and you can see that on the charts. Like 7 to 9% in the mind share of meme coins is really, really low. 2024 was the year of meme coins. Right now it is the AI, and overall I think when the legit AI projects or legit AI developers start coming in, because right now we have like rookies in the crypto space that know some developing, I think some coding. I think when the real OGs or real developers come here and they start creating AI products that are like next level, I think we will see the AI blowing up like crazy. I think the January will be all about AI, maybe February, March. And another alpha I want to share is look out for Elon Musk. Right now, when the crypto is starting, he will be talking some nonsense. He'll be sharing some memes on his Twitter, like he shared the Kickius Maximus, he changed his profile picture, his name, and obviously the Kickius Maximus coin went up from like, I don't know, $1 million in market cap to 400 million. Right now it has dumped down back to 14 million because basically the Elon Musk changed his name and his profile picture back. That's why one more alpha is that check what Elon Musk is posting. He also posted the Cam Rocket, which was like coin from previous like 2021, and it went up like 6x or 7x, something like that. That's why don't fade Elon Musk calls, because these are the most organic meme coins, and you will see that meme coin OGs, big meme coin influencers, are not talking about these coins because obviously they didn't get early in them. They are not the founders, the creators of these meme coins. And yes, most meme coins, and when you see these big influencers talking about specific meme coins, you understand that they have a big bag in those, and most of these are created by huge influencers. So that's basically what I want to talk about. There is obviously so much more, but I cannot remember everything on the spot. That's why I'm making daily videos on my YouTube channel. That's why check out my YouTube. Check out the previous videos. There is so much more alpha, and I am trying to remind everyone about these alpha calls in all of my videos. And for example, one more alpha is that if you are trading crypto and if you want to get a big bonus for trading up to $30,000, you can use my referral link and sign up to a Bybit exchange. Bybit right now is one of the most popular exchanges, the fastest growing, and I have a partnership with them. That's why they gave me a huge opportunity for my supporters, for my community. So if you want to get a chance to get a bonus up to $30,000 in trading on Bybit, use my referral link. The referral link is in the description. And for more alpha, press a like, press a subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha calls like these ones. And there is so much more coming, so much more calls, so much stuff happening, I cannot follow it all, but as I see something, as I will see something, I will post right here and on my X, so follow on my X. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.